Evening. The time of day between late afternoon and night. I like to take a walk in the evening. The sky looks beautiful in the evening. Relax. To rest and reduce stress. I relax by listening to music after work. She relaxes on the sofa with a book. Dinner. The main meal of the evening. We eat dinner together as a family. Dinner usually includes rice, vegetables, and meat. Family time. Spending quality time with family members. We play board games during family time. Family time helps us bond and share stories. Watch TV. To view programs on television. I watch TV after dinner. They like to watch TV together on weekends. Chat. To talk casually. We chat about our day after dinner. I like to chat with my parents in the evening. Cook. To prepare food. She cooks dinner every evening. I like to cook simple meals after work. Clean up. To tidy the house or dishes. We clean up the kitchen after dinner. He cleaned up the living room before guests arrived. Take a walk. To walk outside for exercise or relaxation. I take a walk in the park every evening. We took a walk around the neighborhood. Drink tea/coffee. To have a hot beverage. I drink tea in the evening to relax. She drinks coffee while reading a book. Read. To look at and understand written words. I like to read novels in the evening. He reads the newspaper before going to bed. Listen to music. To enjoy songs or melodies. I listen to music to relax after work. She listens to music while cooking dinner. Shower. To wash your body. I take a shower after coming back home. He prefers a warm shower in the evening. Prepare for bed. To get ready to sleep. I brush my teeth and change clothes to prepare for bed. She prepares for bed at around 10 p.m. Phone call. Talking to someone on the phone. I make a phone call to my friend in the evening. He received a phone call from his parents. Hobby. An activity done for enjoyment. I spend my evening on my hobby, painting. She practices her hobby of knitting after dinner. Relaxing music. Music that helps you calm down. I play relaxing music before sleeping. Relaxing music helps me forget stress. Meditation. A practice to calm the mind. I do meditation every evening. Meditation helps me sleep better at night. Plan tomorrow. To organize the next day's tasks. I plan tomorrow's schedule before going to bed. She writes notes to plan tomorrow's work. Good night. A phrase said before sleeping. I said goodnight to my family. He whispered goodnight and turned off the lights.